Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yopi Ramadhani Praharya and I'm from Universitas Pajajaran, Indonesia. In this opportunity, I will present my research about synthesis and spectroscopic analysis of mu for piperidine bisperchlorato-salen manganese complex compound. For the beginning of introduction is methyl-salen is compound that has antioxidant activity with a low toxicity, which have the ability to mimic the activity of antioxidant enzyme in the body. Research on synthetic antioxidant is growing because there are shortcomings from the use of native enzyme extracted from the living things, namely low activity when injected into the body due to the large, unstable, and the high cost of the molecules. Complex with a dimeric structure, mu 4 piperidine bisperchlorato-salen manganese 3 or mangan salen perchlorat 2 mu 4 piperidine is one of the complexes that can mimic the role of one of the antioxidant enzyme, namely superoxide dismutase or SOD with high activity. Here is the structure of the complex compound. As you can see that the complex compound have the two central atom. The method of the research is to mix while stirring the saline and the mangan chloride dehydrate that dissolve in ethanol 95% at the temperature of 65 degrees Celsius and then filtered and crystallized. Then the crystal form were mixed with for piperidine and saturated potassium perchlorate in 95% methanol solvent and stirred at 60 degrees Celsius. Then the crystal that formed from the reaction were recrystallized and analyzed using UV-Vis, FTIR, and SIMS instrument. Here's are the result of the instrument. From the UV-Vis spectrum of the dimeric complex, it was observed that the manganese-salen complex formed a new peak in the visible region at wavelength of 400 nanometers. This correspond to the complementary color of the solution, which is yellow, where this absorption indicate the presence of the D-D transition in the complex compound and indicates that the salen has bound to the manganese atom. Using FTIR, the spectrum can be seen from the absorption of the manganese nitrogen bond at wave number 598, which is similar to the references, and manganese oxygen bond at wave number 471 that is similar to the references too. In addition, the appearances of the broad peak with strong intensity at 1148 indicate that a typical absorption from perchlorate coordination, which is similar to the previously reported peak at 1103. From the positive SIMS, we can see that peak is formed at ampersand 321 for the mangan salen fragmentation, and for the negative SIMS is formed at ampersand 3055 for mangan salen chloride fragmentation. There's also complex which allows there's also some fragmentation for the complex which allows it to fit into the synthesizes complex. So for the conclusion that in this research is basically that this complex compound or the mangan salen perchlorat mu for piperidine is can be synthesized and analyze it using spectroscopic analysis that in the switches that use FTIR, UVV Siebel, and ASIMS. Thank you very much, and goodbye, everyone.